Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into BTT, okay, Bittorrent. The ticker's BTT. I just want to say thank you for support, okay. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for supporting the CoinsKid community, and thank you for your subscription, okay. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Check out all the links on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description. Get involved in all the communities right now. So BTT, it's coiling up for an explosive break here. You're creating a beautiful bullish structure. You've got higher lows just there, okay, and you've got lower highs. You're coming down. It's basically one big horizontal. I did post this in the Discord and Twitter. There is a break coming here. If we take a look on the daily time frame, there is an explosive break which is going to come relatively soon for this particular project, okay, and I do think you're looking, it'll just have a massive big pump basically. But again, nothing to say is financial advice. I do think potentially you're looking at around about 29% upside once you break this key level resistance just here, this ascending triangle effectively. Do you see that? It's a bullish reversal pattern. You're coming up resistance, resistance, high lows, coiling up for a break basically. You know, you could do something like this where you do that and you come back and then you break, but you are going to break this trend line, okay. If you lose this, obviously this is negative. You can see you're starting to roll and form lower lows and you're rolling over. But I don't envision that because the market's bullish. You're looking for the break. So once you start to break this level of resistance just there for BTT at 0.041, I do think you're looking at a beautiful little 20% upside to that target just there around about 0.5441. Okay, so this here, for me, it's already broken out basically. I think you've got a confirmation of a break. If we take a look on the weekly, this week is quite explosive for me. I think that you're looking for the break already because there's a level of resistance coming down here, okay. And I think that, look, you almost, you've broken out and you've come back to it as support. Look, this level of resistance, okay, this trend line in the RSI. You see the wicks, the points of contact. Always get as many points of contact as you can. Essentially, you could say that you've already broken out, ran into resistance, roll back to support. So on the weekly, you're breaking out of a horizontal, look, and you've got this level of support here. Look at this, okay, which is the trend line of this ascending triangle. So this is extremely bullish. It's a bullish continuation pattern, okay. Straight off the bat, you've got a technical target from there to there. Once you break out just there, which you already have, and you're rolling back and holding the 20 on the weekly, so you're coiling up for some kind of explosive move here. And this could be your target, a retracement to the high. Do you see that? So that in itself, the fact that you break that level of resistance, continuation could be a whopping 219% move right there. But I don't think, not got a crystal ball, and nothing to say is financial advice, but I don't think that that's that. I think you're going to put an impulsive wave because you're going to break out the high. So for me, you're looking at the 1618 minimal target of around about 4 cents. Okay, and I did post this a few weeks ago when you was down here. I made a BTT video when you was down here, breaking out, forming a beautiful double bottom down here. You got that low, and you started to come up. Okay, this is a weekly, but on the daily you'd see it more. You got beautiful double bottom there, and I said to you, look, you're going to come up, meet resistance, come back. You can see you're working through these fibs. So this is looking extremely bullish for me, extremely bullish. Okay, so from there to there, that's a whopping 1078 opportunity. Okay, trade. Again, nothing to say is financial advice, but we've done this before for BTT. When we come to an apex, we break out. I mean, look at this here. We have this level of resistance just there, okay, and we have this level of support. Look at that, huge horizontal coming to the apex, broke out, and we exploded just here for BTT. From there to there, it went up a whopping 3,216%. So for me, this is your wave 3, okay. You've come back in a wave 4, and right now you're putting the legs for a wave 5, which is sort of the last legs of the bull run. Could we get overextended? Could we go to the 2? Absolutely. Could go to 2.272. Absolutely. The wave has to be lower than wave 3. Okay, so that's a 1054. That's around about a 2426. So for me, I don't think you're necessarily going to get to the 2.272. My minimal target is a 1618. You might see an overshoot in the bull run to 2 at 10 cents, but that would be my minimal forecast for you is around about 0.04917. Which is roughly 1000% from here right now. Okay, you're doing the legwork for that explosive growth. It won't shoot off into space. It'll probably do something like this where it goes up, consolidates, goes up again, and then that's the end of the bull run for this particular project, isn't it? But again, this is just technical analysis. Not got a crystal ball, and it might not happen. You might come up here, resistance, and roll back and into the bear. Who knows? But so far, you're calling up in a horizontal. You've got upper level of support, lower level of resistance. You're coming to the apex. You've effectively broken out on the weekly. You've come out of it, and you're holding the support to 20. You're looking for the explosion here for BTT. Just here, I would have been charting this all the way down here in this apex, right? And I always said to you, look, once you break this apex, you're looking to go long, and you're looking for the 1618 target. And I'll show you how I do it. it, okay? So from the low to the high just there, I would have said to you, look, when you break this out here, start to come up and you take out that high, you would have been looking at this 1618 target, okay? And you wouldn't believe me, but it did get there. Look at it. It closed. It ran into it like a boss. Look at that. So that would have been an amazing trade in the bear market, okay? Don't forget, millionaires are made in bear markets. So from that break just there, when I would have said to you, look, you're coming down, you're coming to an apex, you're going to break out, you're looking explosive. And look, within a couple of weeks, you was up there tackling this high. And I would have said to you, look, you're creating a horizontal, essentially ascending triangle just there. And you're going to break out and come up and meet the 1618. You wouldn't believe me. So from there to there, look at that for a trade. 2,225%. Basically over a 20x. You know, within a couple of weeks. I would have given you that if I was doing the chart on this particular coin at the time, you know. So these opportunities will come again, and there is potentially an opportunity here for a 1000x. That's what I'm trying to say to you. And, you know, people are in disbelief, but you're in a bull market. This is what happens. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. But BTT is calling up for explosive break here. Take care. Bye-bye.